Hello, second graders, and happy Tuesday. I cannot believe that we are coming to the end of our month in March together. I have had so much fun learning about 3D shapes with you, collecting quarters. It has been just so much fun. So we only have 2 more days together, today and then tomorrow. And you are going to be doing a number corner assessment where we are going to see what you know about your 3D shapes and about money. It's going to be so awesome. You guys are going to rock it. But before we do that, let's really quickly update our calendar grid. Let's collect our 2 quarters, and then I'm going to show you how your number assessment is laid out, okay? So I'm going to zoom into our date. Today is Tuesday, March 30th, 2021. As you can see in the previous Tuesdays, we have had our cylinder shape, which we learned about last week, and its unique features of having curved sides, which makes it not have really any vertices, okay? So I'm going to flip over our card and we're going to take a look at it today. Well, it looks like we are in a kitchen again, and it looks like we have some fruit here, but then we have some cylinders here. Sometimes you see these cylinders maybe hold like flour or sugar, sometimes coffee even, in a kitchen. So these are our cylinders today. So I'm going to come over here to our calendar grid. We only have 2 more days together. I'm going to put 3/30/21, March 30th, 2021. I'm going to really quickly draw in our cylinder. Miss Dung's going to do her best at drawing. If you remember yesterday how we drew our 3D shapes, that was so much fun. And then I'm going to write in here cylinder, and I am going to put baking holders, because usually they hold like our baking ingredients, and I'll put kitchen so that we remember where it is. Okay, we only have 1 more, and my prediction is it's going to be a rectangular prism because of our pattern that we have been seeing throughout our month. But we'll have to see. We'll have to wait until tomorrow. All right, I'm going to hop over to our 2 quarters a day. Yesterday, we collected 2 more quarters, which brought us to a whole $7, which is so exciting. So today, I'm going to take off our quarters off of it because we filled a whole dollar. And I'm going to put 2 quarters on, which brings us, and I'm going to also add 2 quarters into our pot, right? This is our kind of like bank over here, our pot over here. And this brings us on to day 15. We have collected $7 because we still have our $7. And now we add 2 quarters, which is 50 cents, to get $7.50. Wow, boys and girls, that is a ton of money. Tomorrow we are going to collect 2 more quarters, and then I'm going to ask you what you would do if you were given all the money from our March bank. Okay, so that's going to be an activity that you are going to do tomorrow. Alrighty, so now we are going to pop over to Seesaw. You are going to see this activity that was assigned to you called the March Number Corner Assessment. In the template, you are going to see, there we go. You're going to see that each page has the problem, and it also is going to have a little voice button that you will have the question read to you if you need it. Now, if you look at our number corner, you're going to see all these questions that you are going to answer, and then you're going to see this page that says, "Stop! This is the end of day 1. Please go back and check your work on the previous slides." So we are going to do the number corner in 2 days. So for today, all I need you to do is do the questions leading up to this. Then you will go back, check your work, and then you will hit the orange draft button in the top right corner of your page. Then tomorrow we'll finish the number corner assessment, and then you can hit that green check mark. Okay, I am excited to spend 1 more day with you. I think you're going to rock your number corner assessment. I am not worried. You guys have been working so hard and doing such amazing work that this is just your chance to show your teachers what you know. Okay, so go and work on this, and then I will see you tomorrow for our last day of March for number corner. Good luck, my friends. You will do awesome.